Welcome back to Newt's Trains, everyone. I hope you're enjoying the spring weather. I was in Ocean City, Maryland this past weekend, and I heard about a train show in neighboring Ocean View, Delaware. The show was only about 30 minutes away, so I decided to take a trip through the country. The show was held at the Hope Center and had a good variety of vendors and merchandise. The Delaware Seaside Railroad Club was kind enough to set up a modular display for everyone to enjoy. Let's take a look. saw a lot of neat things at the show, but I only walked away with one item, this Lionel Christmas stocking. Awesome. There's another show scheduled for the fall on September 27th. I plan on attending. I hope you enjoyed the show. Until the next video, have fun, stay cool, and run some trains.